TV kanaly. PS2, Gotiginet, Wildworks, Marconi, Mirius, Oltua TV, Prisori Studio, Pökö Televisia, Quartet Amigo, Wildworks, Metrofilm, Mirius e Prisor, Taxi TV, Bauhaus, Gotiginet, Ideogram, Wildworks, Studios is Happy Kids, Tetia TV, Bauhaus, Wildworks, Prisor i Studio Fox, TPT, RTV, ja ne znam ovo, Kaspuka, K1, Clarion, Wildworks, Prisor i Studio S, Kanal D, Poza Mix, Kanal D, Quartet Amigo, Marconi, Mat Producija, Prisor, RTS, Soundlight, Gotiginet, Sync, Cartoon Network, Cartoonito, Gotiginet, Sync Media i TikTok Audio, Kuri TV, Husky Studio, Minimax TV, Ideogram, Quartet Amigo, Clarion, Wildworks, Marconi, Prisor, Subway, Supersonic, Studio i Happy, Nickelodeon, Nick Jr., PS2, Gotiginet, Ideogram, Wildworks, Second Media i Happy Kids, Bank kanali, Bauhaus, Ideogram, Kanal D, Quartet Amigo, Kiart, Wildworks, Mirius, Prisor, RTS, Soundlight, Studio 3000, Studio S, Happy, TV Prva, Audio Wizard, MND, Wildworks, Mirius, Prisor i RTV, Bauhaus, Ideogram, Quartet Amigo, Wildworks, Prisor, RTV, Happy Kids, RTS, Audio Wizard, MND, Bauhaus, Watch Out, Gotiginet, Snacks, Kanal T, Quartet Amigo, Kiart, Wildworks, Livada, Beograd, Mirius, Mat Producija, Motion, Prisor, RTS, Soundlight, Studio 3000 is Happy, Stereo T, Quartet Amigo, Ideogram, Wildworks, Prisor, Soundlight Studios, TV Ultra i Mini Ultra, PS2, Panemua, Wix, Bauhaus, Gotiginet, Imago Producija, Wildworks, Mirius, Prisor, Studio, Happy Kids, Happy TV Kosova, Wow, Imago Producija, Quartet Amigo, Wildworks, Marconi, Mirius, Prisor, RTS, Soundlight, Happy Kids, Wow, Gotiginet, Ideogram, Wildworks, Soundlight, Happy Kids. Bioskop, Passivity, Bauhaus, Brontosaurus, Saurus, Pokova, Soba, Watch Out, Hauka, Wildworks, Livada, Beograd, Mirius, Moby, Soundlight, Soul, Studio 3000, Studio C, Prisor, Studio, Wizard, MND, Husky, Key, City Trap, City, City, Full House, Pavkova Soba, Ozonix, Cotiginet, Delta Video, no, Max, Ideogram, Canal T, Quartet Amigo, Key Art, Outworks, Metrofilm, Mirius Marconi, Breezer, RTS, Soundwide, Studio S, Happy Kids.
Tutto.